Hey guys, how are we? Today's a bit of a mixed one. No real direction, I wouldn't say. Oh, that's a lie. We're about to go eat some 300-year-old chicken. Well, it's not actually 300 years old, but the place we're going to has been around for 300 years. I think it's been through 8 generations of people running it, and they do like a chicken and a rice dish. I think it's called yakidon. I don't really know how to say it that well, but that's pretty close. So it's like a chicken and a rice dish. It looks insane. I'm going to show you that. It's easy to show you. Then we got to go to this concert. I don't really know the people. Big Bang. You guys know it? I'm joking. I know it. We're going to that. That's in Japan at the moment. So Korean pop band. Sounds funny, but that's where we're going. And then I think we're going to just have a look around Tokyo after that, because that's kind of like an afternoon concert. So we're just going to have a look around. Bit of a random day. But hey, any YouTube content is good YouTube content. So let's go, guys. Sounds like an echo to me. So we're heading to this place probably about half an hour early, for the simple fact that in Japan, if you've been to Japan, anything good always comes in a line. So that's what we're expecting, is a line. It's just one of those things, they really support their sort of local thing. So we may be early, but there's people that are earlier and they're already there. So let's go have a look.
お預かりしますので、一段高いところからお上がりくださいませ。はい、こちらからお上がりください。はい、2名様こちらからどうぞ。はい、お二人様おつの札になります。はい、こちらからお上がりくださいませ。
どうも、そのマッシーさん。
お待ちください。はい。こちら2つでよろしいですか？はい、リキーです。
Thank you. Chicken and rice. Thank you. Oh. Bit of a date, isn't it? It's amazing. It's really awesome. Thank you. Alright. So we done the chicken. It was pretty crazy. So I don't know if you figured it out, but like, well, pretty easy. Rice of chicken. So chicken underneath, rice underneath, chicken and egg sort of like on top. Well worth the visit if you're in... Where are we?
Did you want to go to a tea house?
How far is that? Oh, that tea makes me want to sneeze.
2名様、お好きな席どうぞ。すいません。
That's it. Yep. Green tea, beautiful. So back in the room, I got a little bit of footage obviously of that chicken and of the dessert. It's very hard to actually do anything. So chicken was good. I'm gonna go against the crowd here. I'm guessing everyone on YouTube who's probably gone said it was awesome. It was okay. It's obviously a 300-year-old shop, basically, generation. That's all they do. It was good. I found it a little bit too sweet, to be honest. You do get those little green peppers you might have seen in the footage there. You put them on and it kind of seems to cancel out that sort of sweet sort of taste to it. I thought it was alright, but to be brutally honest, I might not have the palate for Japanese food, as I've had like yakinon before at a different like shop in Japan, and it kind of realistically tastes similar. But hey, have your own judgment call. If you're here and you want to go to it, by all means go. It's a good experience regardless. So later on, not completely sure, we are heading to inner Tokyo for the Big Bang concert. Don't know if I can take a camera into that, so I might just show you guys some stuff off of my phone, and that would probably be it. So off we go to Da's Big Bang concert. Ooh, excited, Da? You are excited. She's excited. She says kind of, but she's excited. I don't know how much filming I can actually get done on there, guys, so I do apologize. This may be a short video, this may be a long video. I can't tell you that. So let's go find out if it is. It's one gnarly ride. Looks like I won't be giving you guys any footage. They're pretty strict here. No cameras, no recording. Otherwise you get kicked out, and it's probably not worth the risk. If I can get anything with a phone, I might give it a go, but there's definitely no camera happening this time. Proof, guys. Really sorry. I guess that kind of answers short or long video. But we'll probably be out of here in a couple hours, so I might just give you some extra Tokyo footage. Doesn't sound half bad, eh? See you guys soon. Well, looks like I actually did get some footage. I have to dub over this, guys. Sorry, I know you're probably looking forward to it if you're a Big Bang fan, but the video will get flagged for copyright straight away, unfortunately, with the music there. So I can show you what's going on. I mean, Japan is next level when it comes to concerts. They support their groups like crazy. Like, pretty much each person has got one of the Big Bang torches. I have not seen this anywhere else. As far as when Big Bang go to different countries, Japan are hardcore, guys. A big shout out to the Japanese fans, because you guys are dedicated. But it was an awesome concert. I really enjoyed it. I didn't think I would, but no, they put on a good show. But yeah, sorry guys, had to dub over it, but it was well worth getting the footage just to show you the sheer support from the Japanese crowd. It is amazing. People would be crazy. So that's how you leave the concert in Japan. That was crazy. Literally as soon as it stopped, everyone's just like, go. and they have like concertina doors where you can put one person in at a time. So everyone's just like filtering through these doors, which is crazy. So that's later than we thought. It's like 9:20 now. So we're gonna get some dipping ramen. This is actually our last night in Japan, and we're heading to South Korea after this. So more good videos coming. I don't know what's going on in South Korea, but you'll see it when I see it. So let's go get something to eat, and that should be the end of tonight because we got to get back. So funny. They've all got indicators. Only in Japan. So tough. Oh, and there's no GDR. Yes, please. Well guys, we're getting our train. We are heading back to the hotel to get ready to leave tomorrow. So I'm going to call it a night. As always guys, thanks for watching.